Hey, hello. I was at the Continental food store on I believe it's 8789 Chapel Street, Luton. I was there earlier. I had put it on my WOTRI, Way of the Remote Influencer Google profile, because I'd gone there at about 4 p.m. to let people try some of my new coconut cocktail DIY drink. And I let a couple of customers try it. Of course, I didn't charge. I always give it for free anyway. So I let them try it, and they liked it. So next time, hopefully, if I put it onto my updates on the Google profile, I'll name it again like I did today. I'll put the place and time. Then you can come there. It'll usually be at the Continental food store on as I had mentioned, 8789 Chapel Street, Luton. See, I'd come prepared. I'd also come with my Cape Hood with wotri.org. It's my web address for one of my Way of the Remote Influencer websites. All right, thank you. Bye.